Sup guys, this is the motor was on the go-kart seats, and I find out there's a piece coming off on its pedestal. This is the not the spot part, the piston ring. Or you guys can tell it is broken too. But oh yeah, I have. See, it's broken right there. So this is pretty bad. But the motor was bad anyway. We was taking parts off it anyway, so it don't really matter on that hurts broken foots. But yeah. But I got a new spark plug. Let me see if this is a bad one. I can turn it around and you see it's too, but that's. But this one's gonna be a okay one. We will see. Not bad, but pretty bad. Yeah, that's pretty bad, but it is not that bad. So to put that back in. Freaking pulling it down long, I guess. I don't know. Going on. But that's bad. Tried to figure out what I 1% can do. This y'all's freaking screw is what do you want to call it? Strip out. So I took it out, and I'm going to take this one out. So I have a leftover y'all's. I have another y'all's in now, but kind of suck because this is a motor is back. I never have a back motor on a bike yet. But I don't know what to do. But yeah, I'm probably going to keep it here and see what I'm going to do the next time on it. Just I don't know about it. But yeah. Peace out. Thank you for watching. Keep on minding that motorbike.